Rector of the Keele University, Dr. Jacco van Loon, joins us now from Keele in the UK. Thank you for joining us here on the program. So what are scientists hoping to learn from this solar orbiter?
Well, the sun emits a stream of particles that's called the solar wind, and it drags a magnetic field along with it. And all of that is bombarding the Earth's magnetosphere, so it affects the conditions in the upper atmosphere, but also satellites that orbit the Earth. And on a larger scale, it actually creates a cocoon around the solar system that protects us against very energetic particles from outside called cosmic rays. So understanding more about the behavior of this solar wind is very important. And this is one of a few recent space missions which is going to look up close at what the solar wind looks like. It doesn't come as close as the Parker solar probe, which is really getting to just within 10 solar radii of the solar surface. But still, it gets much closer than we can study it from Earth. And also, in a few more years' time, the solar orbiter will go out of the ecliptic plane, which is where the orbit of the Earth is, and then get a much better view near the polar regions. And the wind and the magnetic fields is different near the polar regions. And this is also where the 11-year cycle starts, so it's important to actually get that information about that part of the sun.
Okay, so how are scientists hoping to use the information that this orbiter will be able to gather back here on Earth?
Well, it's actually great that both the Parker solar probe and the solar orbiter will be doing measurements at the same time, because then we'll get measurements at the same time from different parts of the solar wind. And so we can compare this with models and make better predictions for how activity close to the sun will maybe one day later affect the Earth and the satellites around us. Also, it's just a fundamental understanding of the behavior of the sun. Although we have a global idea what's going on with the magnetic fields, we don't understand it enough to make predictions about what's going to happen on longer timescales.
The orbiter will come within 42 million kilometers from the sun, which is closer than the planet Mercury. So how will the probe survive such intense heat?
Yeah, it's much hotter there, of course, so it has a shield. As I said, it doesn't come as close as the Parker probe, which would not be able to spend very much time near the sun. The solar orbiter can spend a little bit longer, so it can go around the sun and do measurements for a longer time because it has got this protection. But then it comes back and it goes away from the sun for a while, and then only later it goes back closer to the sun again.
All right, we're looking forward to getting some valuable information from that orbiter. Jacco van Loon joining us from Keele in the United Kingdom. Thank you so much.